Welcome children. Today in the lesson Triangles chapter 7 of class 9 we are going to solve the problems of exercise 7.2. Learning outcomes. At the end of this class, students will be able to solve the problems of exercise 7.2 by using the theorem angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. This exercise is totally based on this theorem. Theorem is what? Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. In an isosceles triangle, ABC with AB is equal to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O. Show that O first part OB is equal to OC, second part AO bisect angle A. In this question, triangle is isosceles. This is given. Triangle ABC is isosceles in which AB is equal to AC. Isosceles triangle is what? Whose two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC is given. We know angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. If two sides are equal, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. If AB is equal to AC, angle opposite to AC is angle B and angle opposite to AB is angle C. These two angles are equal. If angle B is equal to angle C, then half of B is equal to half of C, because BO and CO are bisectors of angle B and angle C. So half of B is what? Angle OBC. And half of C is what? Angle OCB. So angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. If angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, converse of the theorem, angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Here we will use sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. If angles are equal, then sides opposite to equal angles are equal. If angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, side opposite to angle OCB is OB, and side opposite to angle OBC is OC. So hence OB is equal to OC, which we have to prove in first part. Now we will prove second part, AO bisect angle A. We will take triangle AOB. Triangle AOB, these two triangles, AOB, triangle AOB and triangle AOC. AB is equal to AC given, AO is equal to AO common, OB is equal to OC proved in first part. So these two triangles are congruent according to SSS congruence rule. Triangle AOB congruent triangle AOC SSS rule. So therefore angle OAB is equal to angle OAC CPCT. Angle OAB is equal to angle OAC CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. If angle OAB is equal to angle OAC, then we can say AO bisect angle A. AO bisect angle A. Hence, second part is proved. Now, question number 2. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to of BC. Figure is given. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. Here is given ABC is a triangle and AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular means angle ADB and angle ADC both are of 90 degree. Perpendicular. Then this is also a bisector, means BD is equal to DC. AD is perpendicular bisector of BC, means AD is perpendicular. AD is forming 90 degree angle with BC and BD is equal to DC. Now we will take these two triangles ADB and triangle ADC, in which angle ADB 90 degree, angle ADC 90 degree. So angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. AD common, BD is equal to DC given. According to SSS rule, triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC. Hence AB is equal to AC, CP, CT. We can say if AB is equal to AC, triangle is isosceles, which we have to prove in this question. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. Now, question number 3. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which attitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. AC and AB are two equal sides given in this triangle ABC. ABC is isosceles triangle. This is given. Altitudes BE and CF are given. We have to prove these altitudes are equal. We have to prove BE is equal to CF. AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC given. So therefore angle ABC is equal to angle AC B, and angle BFC and angle BEC both are of 90 degree. BC is equal to CB common. So triangle BFC and CEB both are congruent triangle according to AAS rule. So therefore CF is equal to BE CP CT. CF is equal to BE CP CT because triangle BCF and triangle CBE are congruent. How these are congruent? One angle B is equal to C, other 90-90 angle, third thing is BC common. So according to AAS congruence rule, triangle BCF congruent triangle CBE, so therefore CF is equal to BE, which we have to prove. Question number 4. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. In this question, altitudes are equal. In this triangle ABC, altitudes BE and CF are equal. And we have to prove what? First part, triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF. And second part, AB is equal to AC, which we have to prove. Consider triangle ABE and ACF. ABE and ACF. Angle A is common in both the triangles. Angle AEB, this angle is of 90 degree because these are altitudes given, and angle AFC 90 degree. And BE is equal to CF given. BE is equal to CF given. So according to AAS congruence rule, triangle ABE congruent triangle ACF. If these two triangles are congruent, ABE is equal to ACF, AB is equal to AC, CPCT. If AB is equal to AC, then triangle is isosceles, which we have to prove in second part. Now question number 5. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. In this question, we have to do one construction. But that is what? Join AD. Join AD. Triangle ABC is isosceles given, means AB is equal to AC is given. And triangle BDC is isosceles given. So therefore BD is equal to CD given. We will join AD, this AD. Now we will move these two triangles congruent, triangle ABD and triangle ACD, because AB is equal to AC given, BD is equal to CD given, AD is equal to AD common. So according to S congruence rule, triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD. So angle ABD, this angle ABD is equal to angle ACD CPCT. Very simple question. Question number 6. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. In which AB is equal to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. Show that angle BCD is a right angle. This triangle is given ABC isosceles in which AB is equal to AC and side BA is produced to D, BA is equal to AD. We have to show this angle is of 90 degree BCD. To do this question, to prove this angle BCD right angle, we will mark some angles. This angle B as angle 1, angle C as angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4. AB is equal to AC, this is given, AB is equal to AC is given. So angle opposite to equal sides are equal, so angle A is equal to angle B. AB is equal to AC, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. AC is equal to AD because AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD given, so therefore AC is equal to AD. If AC is equal to AD, then angle 3 is equal to angle 4, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now we will take triangle, whole triangle BCD. Angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle CDB is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. DBC, we have to mark DBC as angle 1. BCD is 2 plus 3. Angle CDB is angle 4. Now, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 according to this first part. And angle 4 is equal to angle 3 according to this. So angle 2 plus 3 plus angle 4, 4 की जगह हम लिख देंगे angle 3, twice of angle 2, twice of angle 3, 2 common, angle 2 plus angle 3. This is 180 divided by 2, angle 2 plus angle 3 is 90, angle 2 plus angle 3 is what? Angle BCD. Hence, proved angle BCD is 90 degree. Hence, angle BCD is a right angle. Question number 7. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. Find angle B and angle C. Triangle ABC is right angle in which angle A is 90 degree. This is given in triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree and AB is equal to AC be given. This is also given. If AB is equal to AC, then angle C is equal to angle B. Angle C is equal to angle B. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now in triangle ABC, according to angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. A is of 90 degree. Angle B, we can write angle C as angle B because angle B is equal to angle C. 90 plus twice of B 180, twice of B is 180 minus 90 is 90. Angle B is 45 degree. Angle B and angle C are equal, so therefore angle B and angle C is equal to 45 degree. Now last question, question number 8. Show that angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Equilateral triangle is given. Triangle is equilateral, this is given. Equilateral triangle is what? Whose all sides are equal. We have to prove each angle is of 60 degree. So therefore, if triangle ABC is equilateral, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Now first of all, we will take AB is equal to BC. If AB is equal to BC, then angle A is equal to angle C. Right? If BC is equal to AC, angle A is equal to angle B. So therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Now angle sum property is what? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. but all these three are equal. We can replace angle B as angle A and angle C as angle A. Angle A in place of angle B, we can write angle A. In place of angle C, we can write angle A because all three are equal. Angle A plus angle A plus angle A is 180 degree. 3 times angle A is 180 degree. Angle A is 60 degree. Hence, angle A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degree. So, each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Exercise is over. Thank you.